Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, February 12th. It's already 11:41. I've had kind of a busy morning. I got up and I've just been doing like a lot of work and computer work and schoolwork. So not very exciting. I took Cole on a walk, so I'll insert some clips of that here. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but like whenever I take him, well, one, it's snowy so he can't go very far because the snow like gets stuck on his fur and I don't want him to get too cold, so we have to take like 4 walks a day to make him tired. And he's like destroying the office right now. But I don't know if anyone else can relate, but we have to go on a lot of walks, and when we walk he just like really wants to sniff the snow, which makes no sense, but we don't go very far. I just let him sniff as much as he wants and then we come back. We're going to the vet at 12:30 today, and then I'm going to my dad's to do some work for him. We're going today with Phoebe to do our second cake testing and to try on wedding dresses for the first time, so I'll try to include some clips, but I probably won't include a lot at the dress try on because I don't want to like invade her privacy or anything, so I'll just show you some of the cakes that we try. And I want to paint my nails, so right now they're painted but they're like really gross, so don't look too close. But I wanted to show you guys what I always use is these like Sally Hansen. I also always film on my carpet because I'm always like sitting in the office because the lighting's the best, so I just like sit on the ground and film, so that's why I always show it on the carpet. But I always use like these Sally Hansen miracle gels because you don't have to have a UV light, and I do feel like it lasts a long time. It usually lasts me like a week and a half, which doesn't sound that good, but I don't need a light, and I do a lot of like dishes and washing my hands a lot and that kind of stuff, especially with like kids and dogs and babysitting and that everything. So I do like these. I've never used this color, but I use this one, and I have a white one too upstairs, so I really like them. I also like, let me open one and I'll show you guys. I have like Phoebe's wedding boxes of stuff because they've been up this morning, also kind of like sorting through some wedding stuff because I need to order a few more things, so that's what's in the background over there. But I really like the brush. Okay, the brush on these, you guys can't really tell, it will not focus, but it's perfect. I'm like the worst at painting my nails, and I can paint my right hand with these and it looks perfect, so that's why I really like this brand. That's why I always pick this brand for the this. And I need to bring my mom, my previous video I had made my parents like a little Valentine's box, so I bring that over to them. So I will do that, and then I might pick up the office a little bit because if you can tell in the background, it's super messy. I kind of curled my hair this morning, but it kind of looks, I don't know if anyone else, like different days when I do different stuff to my hair, like one day I can do the same exact thing and it looks great, and then the next day I try to do it and it looks like really bad. I don't know, so that's just what we're dealing with today. I need to put up some of my stuff and clean up the office a bit though, and paint my nails because Phoebe and I are going to do something tomorrow and I want to have my nails painted for that. I'm going to show this because it's so embarrassing how messy it is in here, but I always like to see like the satisfying before and after. So here it's definitely before. Okay, and here's the after. So it looks so much better, but it still has like all of this. I honestly really wish that this room had a closet, which I get is like the whole point of an office is that it doesn't. But I have like these boxes of like wedding stuff and like some, like, I'm doing 25 days of Christmas, so as I like see things, I'm trying to get them. So like November, I'm not buying 25 gifts, so I have like that box of that, like gifts, and then the box of wedding stuff, and then the wedding stuff. So it's like I want somewhere to put it, and I'm gonna do like a video organizing these because they're kind of a mess now, but it looks better for now. I also forgot that I filmed like a Trader Joe's haul yesterday. I was so ambitious yesterday. I think I was gonna get all this stuff done and film a video, and I did nothing. I took a nap and laid in bed like the entire day, which is fine. I was super tired, but I'll insert the clip from the Trader Joe's haul here. Okay, so I don't usually go to Trader Joe's lots, so when I do, I stock up on like lots of different stuff and get multiples and just like have a lot of stuff. So I thought I would give you guys kind of a quick overview of the stuff that I always get or new stuff I'm trying, and it's all gluten-free. So kind of not food related, but I did get Cole these smoked chicken tender dog treats. The only ingredient is chicken, so I like to try to get him dog treats like this where there's like not many ingredients and it's just like simple basic ingredients. So I got him these. They were like $2, I think. I always get sweet potato fries. I don't really like them, but Brad loves them, so he eats those. I got some peppers. I usually don't get my produce at Trader Joe's. I get it at Costco because it's cheaper, and I eat a lot of like fruits and vegetables, so I just got those for something I'm making for Valentine's Day. I get these shepherd's pies. They're gluten-free, really good. They're not very many calories, like 350 for the whole thing, so I like those. Brad likes these, and I like them too. Yogurt cups. They're very like sweet, so it's not like your typical Greek yogurt, but they're really yummy. I got this gluten-free multigrain bread. I love Trader Joe's gluten-free bread. I got this, and then I also got these hamburger buns. I got this cauliflower cheese pizza. I've never tried the one with cheese, but I always get the cauliflower crust and like add my own toppings, so I thought I would try this one this time. I get these cooked rice boxes because Brad and I like to use different rice for different stuff, and it's just like super quick and easy if we're like having a busy night. I always get cauliflower gnocchi. I got this. I haven't tried it before. It's a chicken burrito bowl, but it's gluten-free, so I thought I would try that. I got some some salami for something I'm doing for Valentine's Day, and then this cheese. I love the cheese platter where it's like all cut and already has different types of cheese. I always use this when I make cheese boards. I got some hummus, and then these dark chocolate sunflower seed cups. I'm addicted to these, and then these chocolate nutties I'm using for something for Valentine's Day tomorrow. I got these egg frittatas with cauliflower. They are really, I've been really into egg bites recently, so I'm excited to try these. I've never tried them before, but they are gluten-free. I got these sea salt butterscotch caramels, which are for Valentine's Day. And then I also got these, which I'm going to use for Valentine's Day as well. It came with 3 and it was like $1.99. And then these are the absolute best chocolate cupcakes that are gluten-free. So my mom and I always get these, and I'm using them for something for Valentine's Day tomorrow, like I said. I got these hash browns. I've seen a lot of TikToks of people using these and putting like eggs and avocado on top, so I wanted to try that. So I'll film that if I do try that. I got this corn and chili tomato salsa. It doesn't have garlic. My mom doesn't eat garlic, so I thought she might like to try this too. So that will be good. I got these cauliflower pancakes. I think they're similar to like the hash browns, but they just have like more like cauliflower and cheese in them, which will be good. This soup I always get. It's super good, and it's hard to find soups that don't have wheat in them. It's just like the garden vegetable. There's like lots of vegetables and kale in them. And then, like I said, I'm doing something for Valentine's Day for Brad and my mom, so I got 2 packs of, like, they have these little tiny packs of flowers for $4, and they're super cute. And then I got this bottle of wine to use for Valentine's Day. Up cards when I go there because they're just $1 and they're super cute and I like to have them on hand to send to people. So I got like this one that says thank you for moving mountains. This one that says like you're awesome. This one for wedding. I didn't know if I'd want it for my sister for her wedding day. And then this cute one is a love and romance. Which on the back it also says like what it says inside, and I didn't realize on the news one it says, and that's not fake news, thanks for everything. So that's kind of funny. But that's my Trader Joe's haul.